Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out exercises one by one on the JustFit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. After that, tap on either the My Plan or the Workout buttons down below on the left side corner of the screen. Select a workout, and as you scroll down, you can check out what this workout includes. So if you are interested in any of these exercises in more detail, just tap on the arrow pointing downwards, and here you can see a brief video how it is how we should produce the exercise correctly. So feel free to check them out individually. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.